What's going on, guys? Geneva and I'm back at you again today. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. Oh man, it's so glad to be back. I know I haven't been uploading the videos as much as I want to. It's been so busy, guys, with orders and everything like that, getting everything shipped. As you can tell, I'm a one-man operation doing the house, and I've just been neglecting the car. As of now, this is actually my first time actually opening up the cover. As you can tell, the cover's doing its job because car's still looking mint. So on today's video, I just want to get to you guys a new upgrade. I don't know, it's downgrade, upgrade, but I don't know, you guys make the decision. As you can tell, I have the Evo 9 wing right here, which I really do. I really like the Evo 9 wing, but I got to see somebody else's Evo 8 wing that kind of opened up my mind a little bit. As you can tell right here, the Evo 9 wing is made out of carbon fiber, obviously, on the top. And right here, my main concern about the Evo 9 wing is that it shakes. It doesn't look as sturdy as the Evo 8 wing. Now the Evo 8 wing, like Joe and the GD, the guy with the yellow Evo, he had Evo 8 wing. It was really rigid. So I'm thinking, man, and plus I really like that carbon fiber that's inside of the Evo 8 wings. Now let me show you what I'm talking about right here. I have actually two wings right now that I have in my possession. Now don't be fooled. So let me start with, you might think that's a Cybon, but it's not. It's actually Evo 8. But this is a Evo 8 wing that I got for a really cool deal. You can tell that it's very worn out. Yeah, it's beat to crap, but it is carbon fiber. So you can tell it looks like the past owner took out the clear coat, and yeah, I'm in the process of restoration this. I want to bring this to the shop so they can fully revitalize this piece. So as you can tell, it's not even installed yet, but I'm shaking it and it looks very rigid, very strong. And what I love about the Evo 8 wing is it is made out of all carbon fiber. That's right. Yes. Let me take you back here to the Evo 9 wing. As you can tell, that the only carbon fiber piece on this wing is this top portion. And then on the top, on the sides right here, this is made out of, I don't know what it looks like it's made out of some kind of plastic right here, but and that's why it's very flimsy right now. It's strong, it's gonna do its job, but I just want to have the assurance of having a very rigid wing. And plus guys, I've seen some Evo 8 wings like Joe's, and it has a nice accent of carbon fiber on the side, which is the look that I'm trying to go for. I know I've been looking at Voltex, all those other kind of wings, but I just want to keep it stock. As you know me, how I love to keep my Evo is clean. Looks like I don't do much about it, but I just really want to keep the originality, the main body styles, and I don't want to warp the car. And I want to keep it as clean as possible, but at the same time make it have some tasteful slight mods that will kind of bring out the character of the car. And as you can see right there, I have my bumper just waiting for paint, because I have those 3 holes that I want to get the body shop to take out, and I want them to repaint my whole bumper. And yeah, so but I'm not here to talk about the bumper. I'm here to talk to you guys about the Evo 8, the Evo 9 wing. Now I have a guy, Fine Line Auto. I'll leave his Instagram link up here, and he hooked me up with a super nice wing that he actually sanded down. He actually sanded down the sides over there, and it revealed the true carbon fiber. And I was like, what? I never knew in my whole life that the whole Evo 8 wing was pure carbon fiber. Hands up, man. Me being a huge Evo guy, obviously did not even know that until very recently. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you guys are in the same boat. If you guys knew about this Evo 8 wing being full carbon fiber, let me leave it in the comment section below. It's actually really cool, and I have actually proof that it is all carbon fiber without me having to sand it. But I will show you guys to prove to you guys that it's all carbon fiber. But at the moment, I have this. Boom. No, it's not painted. This is not the Evo 8 Blackwing. I am gonna take this to the body shop as well, and they're gonna re-clear it and repaint it for me. But if you look closely here, guys, right, this is all carbon fiber, just like the Evo 9. And if you look at the sides, boom, carbon fiber on the inside, you can tell right there, and carbon fiber all around right there. So I'll try to focus my camera for you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna have the body shop paint this to my original color white, my white paint code. Have them leave obviously this carbon fiber, because this is what attracted me about this Evo 8 wing. So this is pretty cool. He actually restored this. He sanded it down and he put clear coat, but I want the body shop to, you know, do another full detail on it, repaint this white and leave this white just like, or leave this white and leave this carbon fiber just like a stock Evo 8 came out of the factory. So to prove to you guys that this is actually an original Evo 8 wing, let me flip it over for you guys. You always want to look at the numbers. It has the Mitsubishi number right there, and another one, if you go to the other side, it's gonna have the MN number like that. Be alert, not all wings out there are real. There are some replica ones, so you want to make sure that before you buy Evo 8 wing, you want to check those numbers to see if it's legit. And let me prove to you that's the same thing on this other one. So if you flip this one right here, so 2 wings right there. This one's not, it's really bad shape. This one's actually rusted in the bottom, don't mind that. You have the MN number right there, and you have the other number here as well. Apex Silver. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet sand this side right here. A 600 grit sandpaper, some water, spray one area, and let's see if we can expose that carbon fiber. Well, there you have it. There it is. So it is true. A true story. The whole Evo 8 wing is carbon fiber. And we're gonna actually do a test difference, guys. I'm gonna temporarily install this thing onto my Evo. No, it's not gonna be staying there because I still have to, send this over to the paint shop to get it painted along with my bumper. I'm gonna go and remove this wing for you guys right quick. All right. So since we're here, let me show you guys how to remove the wing. Here's a quick instructional video. So what you have here is a padding, so that when you close the trunk, this thing doesn't scratch, or it's kind of like a sound dampener as well. Now to remove this, you have 2 bolts right here located, one here and one there. The dampener, all you gotta do is twist it just like that, and it should come off, and you'll have access to another bolt right there. Same goes to this side. All you gotta do is easy peasy, lemon squeezy, squeeze it to the left, turn it, and there you have it. You have 2 access right there. Let's unbolt these 4 bolts, and we should be able to pop this off right quick. Now before I even take this out, I want to show you guys again how stable the Evo 9 wing is. So see that, you guys see it's shaky and it moves back and forth. So let's compare now, guys, if the Evo 8 is a lot rigid than the Evo 9 wing. 10 millimeter. So I got that bolt out of there, got this bolt off, and we should be able to pop this off. Wow, this actually is the first time I've seen my Evo without a wing. in my whole life. Well, since I own the Evo. Man, it looks kind of clean without a wing. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think with the Evo without a wing and with a wing. It looks kind of clean. It's kind of growing on me, but guys, check it out. I really love that wing. I love that wing. I love that wing. If you're wondering why I don't have taillights right now, yeah, I have the taillights. I just haven't put it on yet, so don't mind me. Don't think someone jacked my taillights or anything like that. So let's take that Evo 8 wing and install it. It literally took me 5 minutes to install this thing. Oh yeah. Now during the comparison, this thing, no doubt guys, the Evo 8 wing is stiff. Look at that. Barely any movement. I don't know. You have to test it out for yourself guys, but this thing is solid. Wow, what do you think? What do you guys think of my wing being black like that? Do you think it goes with the look of the car? Leave in the comment section down below if you guys think I should keep this carbon fiber like that, exposed carbon fiber. Obviously guys, it's a direct fit, straight swap. So guys, this is pretty much this concludes this video. I mean, I've tested it, and I believe that the Evo 8 wing is a little bit more rigid than the Evo 9. Test it out for yourself guys. Get yourself Evo 8 wing, and I do have an extra one here. I'm gonna go take it to the shop as well, so it's gonna be mint and it's gonna be up for sale. That silver one right there. So there's the Evo 9. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I will be having more videos up more often now, so that I can help you guys out on this little tiny things. There are big things coming out for this Evo, and I'm super excited to show you guys. I have more stuff going inside for the interior. Your HVAC, that's the one that I'm kind of dying to show you guys, because I'm super excited about that project. But stay tuned for that video. Now again guys, if you like this video and you find it helpful, please hit that like button. It will support the channel and this video so much. And please press that subscribe button down below so that you can always be in tune of what's going on with my Evo build. And yeah, it's just slowly getting there guys. The power, my journey to 500 horsepower is on its way. Don't worry guys, parts are going slowly right now because of COVID. Speaking of COVID guys, stay safe out there, and I hope you and your guys' families are doing well as well. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on to the next video.